like I had like this awkward conversation with Rachel's dad.
Oh yeah, Mr. Reese is so tall, man. He's like a giant. Oh my god.
He's a nice guy.
Okay, so Mr. Reese played football for a little bit, and Michael's trying to get him down. I get Mr. Reese down. Michael slams into me at the same time Mr. Reese does, so I'm sandwiched between two Reeses.
I'm like, stop playing footsie with me, Nick. You're gay.
I got that on tape.
No idea what we're talking about. Hey, Justin, are you putting that on YouTube?
Billy.
Who did that? Who was that? I was like,
What are you doing? Stop playing.
Oh my gosh. This is the best train ride ever.
Are you recording this whole thing? Oh my gosh. I thought you were done with that like an hour ago.
Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Nobody.
Stop.
All of a sudden, my friends actually believe that I have friends outside of them. They don't believe that I have friends that are girls. They're like, you don't have any friends that are girls. Like, yeah.
he's just hating us. We're not his friends.
I don't know.
Can I have some?
That's really his boyfriend right there.
Can I have some?
Don't hurt me, girl.
I can't figure out anything else.
Just because of that. Every black guy in the train, come out this way. We're all gang up and have like a race war on the train.
That'd be so mean.
I don't care.
Joey's
I
always
can go either way.
You go either way, but
Yeah, you're like not the black guy. I don't know.
He wouldn't fight for himself. He wouldn't fight for the black people.
Which is about 4 of us on here. I just got the gas.
we're punching the highly. Patrick, I'm gonna kill you.
So he's texting his mom. Mom.
He has a
No,
chicken.
he's texting his mom.
Are you texting that one little girl?
David.
That was very clear. Oh my gosh,
Oh my gosh, so seriously? Oh my gosh. I know. I've been to your house. I was just in his house.
Really? Oh yeah.
Secret society.
When were you at my house?
Like a couple years ago.
Oh, that.
And, your sister fell into a bush that day.
My sister always falls in the bushes.
You have friends.